Feeding expenses are a major cost factor in poultry farming. But there is always a smart way to minimize these costs by using alternative feed sources. These alternatives, which can be found locally or produced on your farm, can provide the necessary nutrients for your poultry while keeping your expenses low. In today's video, we are going to explore 10 effective ways to use alternative feed sources to significantly reduce poultry feeding expenses without compromising the health, quality, growth, and weight of your poultry and livestock animals. Join me to tackle this particular video, how to use alternative feed sources to minimize poultry and livestock feeding expenses. Number 1, make use of kitchen waste and farm waste. There is no home that doesn't generate waste. There is no farm that doesn't generate reusable waste. Most of these waste are thrown inside the bush. Do you know that you generate charcoal from your home? And your farm? Do you know that you generate ash from your home and from your farm? Do you know that you have yam peas, potato peas, onions peas, vegetable wastes, and many others? Kitchen scraps such as vegetable peas, leftover rice and grains, along with farm waste like crop residues and grass clippings, can be used as supplemental feed for your poultry and livestock animals. This not only cuts down costs on feed, but also reduces waste and even the money you spend in waste deposits or waste disposals. Many farmers even pay huge amount of money for waste or environmental workers to come and clear the waste from their farm. And what they call waste, it can be reused into producing high quality feed. Do you know that there are some countries that produces oil and send the oil to outside country for them to go back and re-import those oil into the same country? This is what happens to some farmers. They throw these things out, people pack it, use it to produce feed and sell the feed to them also. You can reuse those things and make very viable feed that can sustain you and sustain the profit in your business. Next one, incorporate cassava and sweet potatoes. They are highly rich in minerals, rich in vitamins, rich in energy, and rich in carbohydrates, even protein. Cassava and potatoes are an excellent energy source and can replace a significant portion of expensive grain like maize. I always tell you that maize is very expensive because many people, both human and animals, industries use them. But you hardly see an industry, a well-established industry, that will go and pack cassava pea to produce chin-chin or biscuit. It's difficult. These root crops are cheap and widely available, making them cost-effective alternatives for a poultry and livestock feed. Use Brewers spent grain. Brewers spent grain is a byproduct of beer production. This is very rich in protein and fiber. Most especially, these brewers, these people that brew these local drinks, they call brukutu. Don't know whether you know about this particular drink. That is a local gin that they produce within these nook and crannies. If you go there, the West alone can drive you crazy, and it's very cost effective. 100 kg of bag is about 4,000 naira, which can help you to drop costs. And that 100 kg is a very big, it relieves you of high cost of feed because it contains up to 27% crude protein. Brewer spent grain is a byproduct of beer production, as I earlier told you, and it can help you to drop your cost of feed. Next one, leverage agricultural byproducts. All the byproduct of agriculture is very useful for producing poultry feed, like rice bran, wheat bran, pancake cake. If you don't know where to get pancake cake, ask me on the comment section. I will direct you. Rich pancake cake is very good because it has high protein, high fiber, and high energy. Incorporating these byproducts can help reduce the overall cost of feed. Grow duckweed or azolla. They are very good. Duckweed and azolla are aquatic plants that grow rapidly and are rich in protein. You can grow these plants in small ponds on your farm and use them as an excellent source of nutrition for your poultry and livestock. Incorporate leafy greens. As you have seen, most of these leafy greens in some of our farms. Leaves from plants like moringa, banana, plantain, cassava, pumpkin, green, and even weeds such as amaranth and pigweed provide essential vitamins and minerals for poultry and livestock. These greens can replace a portion of commercial feed, contributing to cost savings. Use insects as protein sources. If you don't know how to grow incense, it is very easy and very cheap. Now let me use this opportunity and guide you. Please don't tell me that this video is very long, because I didn't want to include this portion in this video, but it is very necessary. Gather this year poultry waste, these poultry droppings, put them in a very good big sack, the same poultry feed sack, these feed bags you used to throw away. Use them and pack these poultry droppings inside, including the sawdust and rest of them. Put them inside and set them at the back of your poultry house. Pour enough water in them. Before you pour the water, mix that water with enzyme, or you mix it with little quantity of honey or molasses, or use powdered cassava flour and mix them. Then pack them, pour water on them, and keep them by the part of your poultry house. Now, within short time, decomposition will start. You start seeing maggots. This maggot will develop to different forms which you can use to feed either your chicken or your fish in the pond or other livestock animals. They are very high in protein. I don't want to tell you their protein content here, because I'm making a feed formulation for broilers using these particular insects. These insects, such as black soldier flies, larvae, mealworms, and termites, are high in protein and can be farmed easily in a small scale. These insects are an excellent alternative protein source for protein in livestock animals, including poultry. Utilize maize alternatives. Maize is very expensive and takes more than 50% of the total raw materials, between 20 to 60% of the total raw materials. You can see that if you can reduce the maize, it's going to help you. Other grains such as millet, sorghum, barley, and many others that can replace maize in poultry feed formulation is very important. These grains are often cheaper and can provide the necessary energy source for poultry growth. Ferment feed ingredients. Fermenting ingredients like grains or kitchen scraps increases their nutritional value and digestibility, allowing your birds to get more nutrients from less feed. You waste plantain peel, you waste banana peel, you waste groundnut peel. All these peels are viable products for livestock feed. This practice also provides gut health, leading to better feed conversion. Lastly, fruit processing waste. As I earlier said, you waste mango, both mango peas, both mango seed, both watermelon, pineapple, orange, all these things you waste them and throw them into the bush. The rat will go there and eat them to come and attack your chickens. They will get weight, and when you kill one rat, you see their weight alone. What do they eat? Do they have any commercial feed? No. What they eat is the waste from your farm, and this waste you would have converted them into your poultry, and at the same time maximize your profit while reducing the cost of running your poultry. Fruit processing waste is very rich. Seeds and fruit pulps can be used as supplement feed. These waste products are often nutrient dense and can be incorporated into your poultry diet to reduce feed expenses. Please, I don't want this video to go too long. If you found this video information valuable, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tips on sustainable and cost-effective poultry farming. Hit the bell notification so that you never miss an update. Give this video a thumb up. If you know where thumb up is, go and click it. Once you click it, it's activated. And share it with other farmers looking to reduce their feeding costs. And if you have used any of these alternative feed sources, let us know how they worked for you on the comment section. You want a good measure to reduce the feed cost. We can discuss as friends on the comment section. Just tell me, we'll dialogue there. I will tell you more about it. Thank you for watching. Using alternative feed sources is a powerful way to reduce poultry feeding expenses while still providing your birds with the nutrition they need to thrive. By making use of locally available resources such as kitchen waste, agricultural byproducts, and even insects, you can significantly cut costs and improve your farm's sustainability. Thank you for watching this video till the end, and be sure to stay tuned for more cost-saving tips in my upcoming videos loading very soon. Till then, I say may God bless you abundantly. Bye for now.